Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how you can file your income tax return yourself using XML utility. So for that you have to log into e-filing website. This is the official website of Indian government, and once you are here, what you have to do is if you go to the dashboard, it will display all the details, like you can see the previous returns, or you can file the income tax return as well by clicking there. And then you have to select assessment year, ITR form number, submission mode, etc. So as you can see here, assessment year is generally the next year for which you want to launch the ITR, then ITR form number. Now depending upon your circumstance, you will have to upload different types of ITR form numbers. So normally salaried employees will go for ITR 1, then NRIs go for ITR 2, and based upon what kind of income you got, for example capital gain tax, business income, if you are director in a company, or it is a trust, there are different types of forms. So if you are a salaried employee, then you can go for ITR 1. If you are NRI, normally you will go for ITR 2. And then filing type, original or the revised return, or a modified return. So normally you will go for original revised return. And then you have to select the submission mode. You can see here, if you select ITR 2, there is a submission mode, upload XML. If you go for ITR 1, you can see there are submission modes. Two submission modes are there: prepare and submit online, or upload XML. So when you select this prepare and submit online, you have to fill all the details on the web pages on this website itself, but when you want to do through XML, you will have to upload the XML. Now you will ask me, where is that XML, how to create that XML. So I'm going to tell you exactly that in this video, how to upload the XML. First of all, I will explain you how you can download the pre-filled XML. So based upon the data that income tax department gets from your employers or any other resources, for example if the TDS is directed, so all that information income tax department gets, and based upon that it generates the file for you. So if you go to my account, there you can see download pre-filled XML link. Just click on that, and once you are there, you have to select the year for which you want to download that pre-filled XML. So what happens is that after you click on submit, it will download the XML file. That's it, your job is done. All you have to do is just upload this XML file by going to, when you are filing the income tax return, you have to upload that XML file. But it is not that simple. When you try to upload that XML, you might get different types of errors, because that pre-filled XML may contain invalid data. So what you have to do is you have to basically open that XML file and then edit that data, correct that data. Now how to open that XML file and how to edit that data. So basically there are two utilities that income tax department provides for you to modify that XML file. So if you go to downloads tab here, you will see there are different softwares they provide. So if you click on continue, you can see there are different ITR forms, and there are different utilities: Microsoft Excel, Java. So let us say you want to modify the ITR 2 XML, then just select this one or this one, Excel format or Java format. So just download that, and then you can edit that XML file. So basically you have to import that XML file in here, in these utilities, and the instructions are given there. So if you open the instructions, you will see here. So just download that. So I have downloaded this Java utility, and then I'm gonna show you how you can use that one. So basically what you have to do is, so you can see in that GIF folder there are these files: ITR, ITR.bat, ITR.sh, ITR.xml. This one is actually this is the pre-filled XML that I downloaded. And then what you have to do is this ITR.sh, you have to modify the permission of that file. If you are a Windows, Linux or a Mac, then this is how you modify the permission of this ITR.sh. So basically you are making this file executable, and then next command that you need to execute is this one, ITR.sh. So what happens is that when you open that ITR.sh or execute that ITR.sh, it launches this jar file. So basically this is the Java application that will be launched. and then what you have to do is you have to open your XML, that pre-filled XML that we downloaded in the beginning of this video. And then once you open that one, it will load that, and then here you can modify it. So in the part A, most of the information will be available. For example, your address, phone number, email address, and all these things are there, and there are different schedules. So based upon what investments you have got there, you will have to fill all these details: income tax, TDS, TCS, etc. And once you are happy with all the information, you have to click on submit, and then what happens is that it will show the errors if there are any. On the right hand side here you can see there is a validation panel, so it shows all the errors there. And currently there is no error, but if there is error, it will exactly tell you where exactly that error is. For example, it will tell you if the error is in part A general tab, it will tell you the error is there, and then you have to fix that error. Once it is done, you have to click on save, and then you can download that or save that correct XML file. Once that file is there, you can now upload it. Make sure that errors are 0, otherwise you will get the different errors when you are trying to upload it in the while filing the ITR. So that's it in this video. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.